Welcome to CapCut Editing Tricks 2025. In this video, we'll explore the newest features of CapCut and how you can leverage them for professional quality edits. Let's dive deep into the pro-level interface. I'll share tips on navigating with ease and boosting your editing efficiency. Create seamless cuts with advanced transitions. I'll demonstrate how to bring dynamic movements into your projects. Mastering keyframes is crucial for motion and animation. Let's break down how to use them effectively. Layering is key to a polished look. I'll share techniques to keep your clips organized and visually appealing. Let's enhance your sound quality with some simple audio editing hacks. Sound effects can elevate your projects significantly. Creating engaging titles and subtitles is essential. I'll show you pro tips for animating text that captivates your audience. Unlock the secrets of color grading to achieve those cinematic looks. You'll learn techniques that make your edits pop. Finally, let's talk about export settings. I'll guide you through best practices for high-quality outputs. Thank you for joining me. Get creative and make the most of CapCut in 2025. Your editing journey is just beginning.